Today we're starting a brand new series, Malica Patrol, where we hunt for the best malice in Ljubljana. We'll be rating each spot based on 3 criteria. First, the cafe itself, interior, cleanliness, and service. Second, the starter. Third, the main dish. So today we're at Vinko Ljubljana. You can check out their malice menu on their website or right at the table. They have free parking, the place is clean and tidy. But hey Vinko, it's summer. Time to do something about the bugs. For the venue, it's a solid 8 out of 10. The starter, mushroom soup, costs 2.20 euros. The portion is big and the taste is great, a clear 10 out of 10. For the main dish, I had chicken wrapped in bacon with potatoes for 9.80. And my friend went for a burger at 10.50. The chicken was excellent. The burger, a bit overpriced for what you get. Still, the main dish gets a 10 out of 10. So overall, Vinka scores 9 out of 10. Next stop, coming soon. This was Malica Patrol.